then transdisciplinary. And this is just a simple Rubik's Cube that shows the different facets. And if we want to get things right, we have to get these 6 faces right. But in our case, there could be so many more faces to the problem. But at least if we can pick up that what are our priorities and concentrate on that. So in this case, so for example, the yellow bit, let's assume that is what IRRI wants to do and get things right and have all of the yellow squares all squared up, so to say. There are then different subsections over there, which we have talked about. There can be different aspects to that. So let's just at least concentrate on getting something right, not forgetting that getting all these 9 yellow squares together would not happen without actually once reformulating and remodulating the yellow phase. And in that time, when we are very close to getting all yellow on the top, we have to actually change the dimensions again and imagine that this will come back. And that is where the real vision lies. How to be able to see that if we distort what is about to happen, but we distort it for the benefit of actually making it happen, that's where the entire trick is about trying to go ahead with the systems approach. And that we talk only about the science. And I've just taken a very quick example over here that science is then again influenced within our very small world of an institute. The science we want to do and try and get the yellow pieces all together depends on so many other aspects. And these are all, again, the systems that will play into it. And these have to work so efficiently for us to get that yellow bit going well together. So going back to the question, how can we grow more and better rice now and in the future? So we've figured out that it's a very complex thing, that we need to concentrate on certain subsystems. And within that subsystem, we better concentrate on getting the science right and making sure that the organizational aspects feed in effectively in trying to get the science right. So that then takes me to what we have been trying to do here at IRRI for nearly 10 to 15 years now. Going back to that example, we were very close to trying to get all the yellow pieces up there, and then we had to sort of remodulate and change things. So this is something what I call the 5D circular research model, which depends on demand, discovery, development, dissemination, and distinction. And as most of you would be able to see, that the word distinction I have used mainly to really try and get another D over here. But what distinction really means is the distinction of your product, your process, or your policy that you might have come up with, and which is part of your monitoring, evaluation, and learning and impact analysis, etc.